So Hyundai was in the news on Thursday when they announced that they would stop production of the Hyundai Santa Cruz pickup trucks. It has met with a lot of controversy. Hyundai came out in the news on Thursday stating that they are going to discontinue making the Hyundai Santa Cruz pickup trucks after 2027. This comes after the Santa Cruz had its fourth straight year of declining numbers and losing even more market share in the compact truck arena. In 2025, Hyundai has only sold 25,739 units, which is down about 6,800 units from 2024, when they sold just a little over 32,000 units. The Santa Cruz had its best year in 2022 when they moved about 47,000 units.
This graphic shows the price comparison and all the trim models between the Hyundai Santa Cruz and the Ford Maverick pickup trucks.
The problem with the Santa Cruz is that you can go across the way over to Ford and get a Ford Maverick pickup truck that has a slightly bigger bed. You can get a hybrid that can get your gas mileage in the mid 30s for a fairly similar price point. And that's where a lot of people are going to, is the Ford Maverick. Speaking of the Ford Maverick, we found a fairly comparable Ford Maverick to the Santa Cruz that we were at Hyundai earlier. This is a 2025 Maverick XLT all-wheel drive. This comes with your 17-inch wheels, 2-liter turbocharged inline 4 at 238 horsepower, 250 foot-pounds of torque, and it can tow up to 4,000 pounds. You look at the interior there, and it has a little bit bigger bed. Has a slightly bigger cab. And the price on this is $34,005, which is about $900 cheaper than our Santa Cruz. And they have a lot of these Mavericks over here on the lot. Well, people are going to ask me, well, Rodney, what is Hyundai going to do now since they don't have a truck anymore? Because they're going to need a truck to make money. And while that's true and everything, rumors have been swirling around that Hyundai wants to build a bigger truck to compete in the mid-size truck arena, comparable to the Ford Ranger and the Toyota Tacoma. These are two of the biggest heavy hitters in the mid-size truck arena. So if Hyundai elects to go this route, then they're gonna have a lot of work to do as far as getting their next truck right to be able to compete, not only at a price point but also a quality standpoint, to make their next whatever size truck a lot more competitive than what they had in the Hyundai Santa Cruz. So Hyundai has a lot of options as to replace this particular truck. They can go with a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. They can go with a turbo inline 4-cylinder. They can go a hybrid powertrain, or a fully electric powertrain which Hyundai has all 4 of those options readily available. Whenever this truck is debuted, they are expecting a full replacement of the Santa Cruz by 2030. So that concludes our time with discussing the Hyundai Santa Cruz's departure from the U.S. market. Thank you for watching the AZ Online Car Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.